10 amazing facts about monkeys. 1. Diverse species. There are over 260 different species of monkeys, ranging from the tiny pygmy marmoset, which is about the size of a human hand, to the larger mandrill, known for its colorful face and distinctively shaped nose. 2. Social creatures. Monkeys are highly social animals and often live in large groups called troops. These troops can consist of just a few individuals to several hundred, depending on the species. 3. Tool users. Some monkey species are known to use tools. Capuchin monkeys, for example, have been observed using sticks to extract insects from tree bark or using rocks to crack open nuts. 4. Smart cookies. Monkeys are intelligent creatures with advanced problem-solving skills. Studies have shown that certain species can recognize themselves in a mirror, a cognitive ability indicative of self-awareness. 5. Communication skills. Monkeys communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations, facial expressions, and body movements. They have a complex system of communication that helps them convey information about food, threats, and social interactions. 6. Opposable thumbs. Most monkeys have opposable thumbs, allowing them to grasp objects with precision. This dexterity is crucial for their daily activities, including grooming, feeding, and manipulating objects in their environment. 7. Variety in diet. Monkeys are omnivores, meaning they eat a diverse diet that includes fruits, leaves, insects, and even small animals. Their varied diet contributes to the health and adaptability of different monkey species. 8. Parental care. Monkey parents invest a significant amount of time and effort into caring for their offspring. Mothers, in particular, are highly attentive, carrying and nursing their young for an extended period. 9. Acrobatic skills. Monkeys are excellent climbers and possess incredible agility. Many species can swing from branch to branch with ease, showcasing their acrobatic prowess in the treetops. 10. Endangered status. Unfortunately, many monkey species are facing threats such as habitat loss, deforestation, and illegal wildlife trade. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these fascinating creatures and maintain the biodiversity of our planet.